amo naminaw sa Sibianan DYPC 88.7 FM nga nagsibya gikan sa naymutangan sa orihinal nga Mandaue City College sa Barangay Basak, Dakbayan sa Mandaue. DYPC 88.7 FM sakop ug nahilambigit sa Visayas Mindanao Confederation of Trade Unions o Webcontour Broadcasting Corporation. Kini ang tingog sa katilingbanong pagpakawana. DYPC 88.7 FM.
Bridging today's generation gap with a radio format that transcends from all the rest. This is 89.1 Power FM Cebu.
89.9 Metro Cebu. Bring back the memories. Memories FM.
On the air in Metro Manila and Baguio.
105.1.
Bacolod.
99.1.
Cebu.
90.7.
And Davao.
93.1.
This is the Mareco Broadcasting Network Incorporated, a member of the KDP.
Crossover.
Yes, the best na ngayon.
Yes, the best!
Yes, the best! Ang 91.5.
91.5.
Cebu.
The millennial choice. Yes, the best.
We are the frequency that gives you
Today's best music. Every day.
it's your favorite hits. And then some. We are today's best music.
Magic 92.3 Cebu.
Broadcasting from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. Cebu City. Ito ang makabagong tunay na radyo. Angat sa musika at balita. 93.1 Brigada News FM. The Music and News Authority.
Kung ako ang tatanungin,
Ano ang radyo mo?
ang sagot ko ay FM. Ang idol kong FM. Ang sarap makinig araw-gabi. Idol din niya ako kasi ang idol kong FM
93.9.
ay FM.
LR Lahira.
Ibang-iba ka pangga.
Natural, ang saya dito natural. Kami dito natural ang lahat. Kaya may panggana tayo.
This is Metro Cebu 94.7 Energy FM.
Energy. Hay Pangga, Energy FM, Hay Pangga, Energy FM. Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo
Energy FM. Ibang-iba ka pangga.
Serving Metro Cebu through music and information. This is 95.5.
Philippines #1 Star FM. The Philippines original light rock radio. 96.3 W Rock.
Official. Music's ng mga kamarkada sa Cebu City. We are MOR 97.1.
Lupig sila.
Every day I turn my radio on. Nakikinig sa my one and only radio station. You are my only radio.
Tuwing nagmamaneho, love lang. Nakahiga sa kwarto, love lang. Kahit nasa trabaho, love lang. Paborito mo kabisyo, love lang. Isa siyang walang problema, walang kuku, puro haha. Jibi-jibi good vibes, walang hate. Walang hate. Walang hate. Puro love lang. Opo, puro love lang.
Love radio.
Love lang.
Encouraging. Inspiring.
You just gotta live.
987. Life-changing.
Barangay RT 99.5 sa Cebu.
This is RJ100 FM on the Raja Broadcasting Network, scorching the worldwide net on www.rjplanet.com. Heard live via satellite nationwide on 100.3 in Cebu, Davao, and Metro Manila. And on 96.5 to Tuguegarao, 91.1 Baguio, 99.9 Bacolod, 98.3 Iloilo, 88.5 Cagayan de Oro, and 99.1 in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. RJFM 100.3 plays the greatest and latest hits of all time.
100.3 RJFM.
Member KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa Pilipinas.
Y101, always first, is DYIO FM, broadcasting from the city of Cebu and heard all over the world through the Y101 mobile app and at y101fm.com, a member of the KBP.
The best in town, Y101 Cebu.
Ito ang Radyo 5, 101.9 News FM. Todo radyo serbisyo.
Slow down and fall in love. Easy rock.
103.5 Retro Cebu.
103.5.
If you wanna be my lover.
Thanks for the memory.
Music, please.
Broadcasting live from Metro Cebu. Ang OPM radio station ng Central Visayas. Ito ang DYUR-FM 105.1 Halo Halo Radio Cebu. Ang music station ng Ultimate Entertainment Incorporated. Halo Halo Radio 105.1.
Makisalo ka, makihalo na. Awitin natin ng sabay-sabay. Makisalo ka, makihalo na. OPM sadyang walang kapantay. Makisalo ka, makihalo na. It's OPM best.
It's time for a brand new hour on the march.
In 3, 2, 1, we are DYPT-FM 105.9 MHz, broadcasting live from the Queen City of the South.
It's a live wire. This is drive-through overtime.
Winner of the 25th KBP Golden Dove Award for the best provincial station in the country. We are Cebu's hottest Monster Radio, BT 105.9.
Seen 1,000 faces, been in and out of places, but there's no place like home. Memories, melodies, thoughts that make me smile. It feels good to be home. It feels good to be home. Home is where my heart goes singing la-di-da-di-da. Love is overflowing, the sun comes shining at home. To be home. It feels good to be home at home radio.
The radio station that plays you nothing but the best music.
This is Weld FM 107.9, your newest music source.
Kalamig!